Welcome back, food lovers. I'm Adnana, and because it's not safe to travel, today I'm bringing you a recipe from Brazil. Heat 125 milliliters milk with 20 grams unsalted butter and half teaspoon salt in a small saucepan. Bring to boil, remove from heat and set aside for 5 minutes. In a medium bowl, combine 250 grams tapioca flour with the liquid mixture and start stirring, breaking down the lumps as much as you can until the mixture cools down to warm. Add 120 grams grated cheese and using your hands start kneading the dough. Beat 1 egg and incorporate it in the dough. Knead until the dough comes together. Now it's time to form our balls. I took 1 tablespoon as a measure and I formed the Brazilian cheese breads. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes until they start to brown on the bottom. As an advice, after they cool down, these Brazilian cheese breads lose their special texture, so bake only what you need and serve them warm. Take care, like and subscribe if you haven't already. With love, Adnana.